Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Miss Wangui, and today we will be talking about 7 simple investments to build wealth in 2025. No big budget needed. We all want to build wealth, so why not do it without a strenuous budget? I'll give you 7 pointers on how to do that. Stay tuned. My first point would be have a high interest savings account. What does this mean? Go for high interest savings account. When you're opening an account to put your money into, don't go for the normal accounts. The normal accounts, your money will be eaten by inflation, and we do not want this for you. So go for high interest savings accounts. Open an account with competitive rates. This type of accounts will favor you. They offer a low risk way to grow your savings. When we hear the word low risk, that's where we want to invest our money. So go for the low risk type of accounts. Let your hard-earned money work for you. You see, if you invest or if you put your money in a normal type of account, your money doesn't increase or multiply. But if you put it in a high interest savings account or in a high investment account, your money grows more money. So go for these types of accounts. These types of accounts are normally easy and safe. When I say easy, I mean they're easily accessible. So you can always access your money anytime you want to. Even though their growth is limited to interest rates, they are best for low risk wealth growth and maintaining liquidity. Especially if you want easy access to your money, go for this kind of investments. But if you're okay with your money not being liquid, we can discuss other forms of investments for you. Having a high interest savings account will help you grow your money without doing too much work or without feeling the need or feeling like you're risking your money in putting it into investments that you do not know much about. My second point is P2P. P2P means peer-to-peer lending. This is where you can lend money or borrow money from one person to another without necessarily using a bank. You can try and use platforms to invest small amounts in loans. They normally have higher returns than a typical account. So having a higher return and allowing people to borrow money or lend money without using a bank favors a lot of people. You see, like in banks, there's a lot of paperwork. A lot of people tend to be bored by such stuff. Or even take a look at a SACCO. I once joined a SACCO. I thought it was a good thing until the time I wanted to ask for a loan. And I had to look for like 9 people to sign for me to actually get a loan. And I was in a different town. I didn't know anybody in that town. So you can imagine how bad the situation was. In short, I didn't get that loan because I didn't know anybody who could sign for me that loan. So this P2P lending can be great. The risk is a bit high due to the borrower defaulting or refusing to refund the money, but it has high returns. Just do your diligence before you start on this kind of projects, before you go all in. Also try and invest little amounts of money. If you're lending money, try and instead of lending people money, like huge amounts of money, start with small amounts. This is the kind of investment you have to monitor carefully, otherwise you might lose your money. So if you think you're those high risk takers, I think this is the best kind of investment for you. For me, I think this one I would have to sit back and allow the high risk takers take the front line. Okay, on to my next point, or the best investment for you. Investing in digital assets and crypto staking. For me, cryptocurrency is a sensitive topic, but I think it's a great investment to embark on. I am really thinking about it. I think it's great, and the advantages surpass the disadvantages. We are evolving into a digital world, so I think it is best that keep up with the times, so as not to be left behind. Use platforms to earn in crypto. Crypto generates passive income in an evolving market. A lot of people are always afraid of things they are not familiar with, so they don't invest in things that they feel like they don't have enough information about it. So I would urge you to find out a little bit more about cryptocurrencies and digital assets before you invest. You might end up liking it. Crypto and digital assets are always sold electronically. It is not something tangible like, real estate where you can see there's your building. All this is electronic. This being electronic makes it more harder for people like the old school type of people, or if you have an old school type of mentality, to grasp this idea of, or to grasp this kind of investment. But it is there. The beauty about cryptocurrency and digital assets is that they have higher returns and the fact that they create passive income. We all want something that will create money for us, especially if we have something active that we are doing. We need something in the background that's bringing us more income. So crypto and digital assets, this is a very great investment for you to indulge in 2025, or you can still start now. If you're comfortable about digital trends, this is for you. So do it. But if you feel you a little bit of discomfort, we are urged, like, don't invest in something that you don't understand, so don't go for it. Look for something that you feel is a bit comfortable and you're familiar with. This will give you peace of mind. We want peace of mind even if we are trying to look for wealth. My next point is invest in ETFs. What are ETFs? ETFs are exchange traded funds. Try and find diversified ETFs with potential growth. ETFs offer diversification with low risk than individual stocks. It's best going for an ETF rather than going for an individual stock. ETFs are best for long-term investments. So if you want something, if you're not in a hurry with money, you can go for ETFs. They are diversified and they have moderate returns. Are great for beginners who want to invest in broad markets, and also ETFs are great for investors who desire long-term gains that are gradual and stable. Some people will, before they invest, they want, like me, I love stability a lot. So if I feel something is not stable, there's a high chance I will not invest in it. So search yourself, figure out the type of person you are and what kind of investments you would want to indulge in before you actually take part in this kind of things. My number 5 form of investment great for 2025 is real estate crowdfunding. This is where you pull money into a property through a platform provided. This gives you access to real estate without really actually buying property, because buying property can be like a bit expensive and not accessible to everyone. So crowdfunding gives you a piece of, you get to taste like how investments in real estate is like. Real estate crowdfunding diversifies your portfolio and it also creates passive income. Problem with this is it's not easily liquid, but it's ideal for passive real estate exposure without owning. You're exposed to real estate, you get to learn a lot while you're doing crowdfunding. It is becoming an increasingly popular method to diversify in. So think about it. My sixth point is robo-advisors and automated savings. Sign up and let advisors diversify this for you. It simplifies investing with a balanced approach. They're always great because they need low effort and they always have great returns. They are great for beginners who are looking for ease in investing, but the downside of it is sometimes charges may apply, fees may apply. So if you don't have a problem with that, maybe this could be the best platform for you. My last type of investment I would urge for you to do or to start in 2025 is in short-term bonds and treasury bills. You can always invest in things in treasury bonds through the government portals or through brokerages. They are considered safer and have reliable returns. For instance, if we talk about T-bills or treasury bills, we have short ones for like 91 days. We have another one for 182 days and another one for 365 days. It allows you to choose which amount or period you feel you're comfortable waiting or investing your money for. They are considered to be low risk but have high returns. Problem is sometimes you'd find like you have to invest like from 50K going up. That's roughly $500. They are great for conservative investors who need stability. The good thing about this kind of investments is that they are auctioned every week. So this provides consistent opportunities for investing. Well, I hope this gets to help someone. I hope someone finally gets to start their wealth making journey. If you have any other point you'd like to share with us, please put it down on the comment section. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you're notified once we upload other videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.